on the grandma's house. There was trees and lines down everywhere, and I also got a phone call right in the middle of it. Wanted to explain to me that there was trees and lines down everywhere. So that's what that was, and there's trees and lines down everywhere. We did not make it. She was looking out for my best interest and trying to have me avoid any danger. But our video got delayed, and I think I missed the best footage of all. It was pretty nasty over there. And then anyone's grave over. And I'm heading back my way. I'm gonna sit in my house, go back to my house and sit, sleep, or I don't know what. Definitely unable to make it to Grandma's house. So I don't know how they're gonna get out of there, because they're pretty locked in, pretty stuck. I guess when it all just hang out, hold tight in there, and then they can get out when the getting's good. They said they got plenty of food, and they were cooking all day, so they got plenty to eat. They have candles, and they can hibernate a little bit. Just wait for the storm to pass. But the issue is, the storm's still here, and all these lines are just so weak. Trees fall in the cleared the street already. That's the way to do. Alright, stop a little bit of stop. There's that tree. Are they still working down here? Yes. Big tree. Slow. Get through this little area here. What the hell did you say, huh? He said something. I don't know what he said. Alright, wow. Now, there we go. So this is where I'm supposed to turn. And, well, I wonder if I can get home. We're gonna have to do a... I see a path. I see a way. Let's go. Oh boy. Let's see if I can get back to my house. Otherwise I'll be sleeping in my truck. Let's go. A little bit of gas. A little bit of go. Here we go. A little soggy. Yeehaw! Alright, I made it. Big deal. Let's get back here before any more trees are down. And I'm not going to be able to have shelter for this evening. Just sitting out there like everybody else. Huh. Alright. Looks like we're going to make it. Maybe. Ooh, yeah. Tree here, a little bit of a tree. Let's see what the best way. How did I come in? I just don't want to get stuck in the yard. Whoa, that's messed up. Ew. All right, around we go. Oh boy. I don't have enough gas. Enough gription to get through here. Momentum. Momentum. Go. It's like driving through snow. Soggy yard with leaves, full of leaves. Alright, we can make it. Alright, yes we can. There we go. We're in. Fantastic. What a mess. Okay, that's it. I'm logging off. Bye-bye.